Hello friends, good morning everyone. I am Rohit Singh. Today's topic is how to introduce yourself. First of all, I want to tell you I joined the coaching for English communication, and sir had told me stand up Rohit and tell me about yourself. And I was like, I am Rohit from Sitapur. I completed my graduation from Lucknow University, and after that my parents are Ajay Pal Singh, Poonam Singh, and my and watching movies. It was my speaking English. Then I was very nervous. I think I am not able to introduce myself. One thing which I want to tell you, there is a process that when you have told your name and when you have told your father's name, your qualification, what is the sequence of your introduction. This is a fixed process. First you have to greeting someone. Good morning sir. Good morning sir. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me. I am very thankful to you. Then you have told your name that I am Rohit. Then you have told your location. First you have to introduce yourself, not your father, mother, yourself, who you are. They also first they wanted to know what skills you have. Okay? Then you have told your qualification. I completed my graduation from Lucknow University, and my schooling was from a village school. Then comes our family. There are five members in my family: my parents, me, my brothers, and my sisters. My brother, Mr. Rahul Singh, my sister Priyanka Singh. Then your hobbies. After that, you have told your strength. What is your strength? I am a self-motivating person. I always wanted to learn something new, and I have a good strength to learn your goals. So let's practice. Good morning, sir. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me. I am Rohit, 18-year-old. I am from Sitapur. I have completed my graduation from Lucknow University, and my schooling was from my village school. My family has five members: my parents, my brother, sister, and me. My hobbies are to watching Kapil Sharma show when I was free, and playing cricket. I am a very hard-working person. I always try to learn something new. I believe myself that with my hard work, I can learn everything. My short-term goal is to learn English communication, and my long-term goal is to complete the short-term goal. One thing I also wanted to tell you. So how much effort you are doing, that is very important. It is not important that you are in the last of the class, you are the backbencher of class. It is very important that when you started your learning English communications, after that what you are doing, what effort you are doing. After 3 months, I will be come back and communicate with them. This is the part 1 of my English communication. I will make video every day. Thank you so much.